Hello. Hello. Like I'm on a phone. Hello. Am I live? Yes, I am. I'm on a phone, apparently. Imagine if I just went, hello, who's this? Please answer. I'm scared. Sorry, wrong number. In stream. Okay, let me do a bit of audio testing. Yeah, that sounds terrible. Basically, my quality. Okay, where were we? I did change something here. I changed the example up a bit, change the schema to be slightly cleaner. And also, yeah, this guy. So this is the reason why I changed it. The last time we couldn't test this part because these two weren't getting auto-completed, but now oh, it doesn't. Oh shit, I didn't run it the right way. And then this guy? No. And then, God, I'll keep traveling back through my history till I get to the command I need. Yeah, there it is. It auto-completed. Okay, I mean, I think we need a space here. Anyways, yeah, we couldn't get this the last time because our schema had those two as optional. So now they are not optional, they are required. So I think this is fine. Okay, I mean, first of all, now that I've spotted it, let's add the comma space. Let's see, okay, 2 days is apparently forever in programmer time because I have no clue what I'm doing anymore. Um, okay, yeah, here is where we're um, adding what gets displayed. So, is there a join concat? Yeah, here. This guy, bug string. Okay, after the comma, I'll just add a bit of space and that should be pretty enough. Let's do update. Yeah, I think that's better. I would like to use something like Lua snips and get tab completion and stuff here. Maybe we'll do that. I don't know. Is it a standard practice where you just use, because a lot of people use a lot of different snippet engines. So I'm not sure if me forcing the forcing Lua snip as a dependency is a good idea or not. Yeah, we'll get to it later. There are a few issues. The first of which I think I need to deal with is aliases, because aliases don't work. And also, search. The last time I saw this, yeah, this guy doesn't get the fields completion because it's an enum. So we'll also have to handle that. But too many things. Let's note them down here. This is a big enough font. So first of all, handle enum types. And then what else? Wait, what was I doing? I lost track of what I was doing. We need enum completion and yeah, I am lost. Yeah, I think there was this guy, because here, oh wait, yeah, it works here, but it doesn't work at the end. Okay. So we have completions here, but this is only at the top level. We don't have completions for anything inside this. To do that, we'll have to recursively go through the type, which is a pain, but I do want to do it because it's fun. I might just create the repo today, do documentation and stuff. Yeah, I think that sounds like a better plan. I do want to fix this though, payload. Apparently, actually, yeah, this is an easy fix actually. If we just allow both of these guys, argument or arguments, because when I'm at the end, it tracks this as arguments. But when I'm here, it calls it argument. No, is it? I can't see anything. Object value when I'm inside, and okay, I'm not printing it when it's argument. Yeah, trust me. Trust me, bro. It's argument. So we can handle both these cases here. So it should give me completions for that as well. So when I'm here, I get where. When I'm at the end, I don't get completions. Did I spell it wrong? A true developer questions his ability to spell. Let's open this up. Back here, payload, there it is. Yay, we did it. We have accomplished something. It's not that great, but it's something. Also, yeah, comma. I think comma in some cases might fuck it up. I don't know. What if I do this? Oh, it works. Okay. Let's ignore my concerns. Moving on. What else? Okay, let's commit this because of course we're gonna commit this. What is happening? Where's my... Oh yeah, I didn't test that. I just added the extra comma and then yeah, it'll work. Search. Yeah, it works. Okay. GCC Pete fix. What did I do just now? Support fix arguments, trailing arguments. Fuck it. I'm not gonna have pretty commit messages here. Do I want to do object field right now? What am I feeling like? Enum types might be fun. Let's see. I don't know if I'll go too deep into it. So let's see, where is possible types? Okay. So if possible types is not null, we can do this or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, let's do that. Where do I do that? Has fields, yeah. Here. So local is, let's go enum field dot possible. No, it should be field dot possible types, right? Field dot why are these guys getting auto completed but not that? Oh, maybe it's because that's the type. This is a tricky thing. Collapse types, that's what that is for. Collapse type. Oh, is it not? A util dot collapse type. All right, that spelling, the naming convention there is a little fucked, but I'm gonna go with that. I don't want to think about it. Okay, I'm just gonna print this out. It's not a boolean, but I just want to see if I get something that has possible types. There is some other print that is annoying me here. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's go. What was I doing? Yeah, here. When I do search, I get search result, messages. I don't get anything else. That is... Oh, that sucks. What is it? What is it, boy? Field? Let's just see what this is. Or actually field or type, because that makes more sense. Running it again. Search. There's something. Field.type is non-nil. Okay, at the end of it, I get a name and then I have to follow the name to get whatever. Okay, so, oh, now I get it. Search result was this thing here. Oh my god, dummy. Dummy. Okay, so is enum is, okay, it's not is enum, it's collapsed type. No. Enum type local schema equals self. So we'll get the schema here, and what we can do is just search. Wait, is there any util for me to do that? Because I don't want to do that by myself. I may have done it somewhere, right? Schema types. Oh, actually, if I call get field with... Oh, right. This is what I did the last time. Yeah. So I can do get field and give it the path, which is just enum underscore type. And that's it. I don't know. What am I doing? Path, and then collapse type should be false, I believe. Because I don't want to collapse the type there. I just want the field as is. So this should be enum type actually. Enum type name, and this guy would be enum underscore type name. Okay, let's print this out. I'm a JavaScript developer. I'm just going to console log this till I solve the problem. Search. Messages. Do you have any messages for me? Okay. Is this the one? Yeah. Okay. Yes, this makes sense. So we've got enum type. What I can do here is has fields would be if it's an object, or I have possible types, or possible types is not nil. Enum type dot possible types is not vim dot nil, which apparently is not the same as nil. Why that is, I don't know. Enum type needs nil check. Okay, what do I do here? Or enum type, or and yeah, something like that. I don't know. Local is enum. Let's be good here. Oh wait, my dog is knocking on the door. Yes, yes, I hear it. I'm coming. Just 1 second. I'm back. You're just very sleepy. I can't be. Okay. This. Yeah, we can test this now. Let's see. Fail or no? Yeah, there it is. It worked. First try. First try. I'm so cool. Username. Let's see if the rest of it also works. Update user. Ah, I'm so cool. I'm such a cool person. Oh yes, the thing I had lost track of it just earlier. The thing that I was talking about was aliases. Aliases don't work. So if I do something like this, not here, here, if I do my user colon that thing and I try to do username, I don't get completions here because the way I'm querying it is it takes the first child and something like that. I forgot exactly what I did, but yeah, that won't work. So for that, we need to use tree sitter. I mean, we are using tree sitter. We need to use queries. So here it is. This guy, when we get to a field, what I just do is get the first child and get the text from that node, which doesn't work because the first child is now a fragment. Sorry, an alias. An alias with a colon, I believe. We can check that. Actually, first of all, commit. What did we forget? We forgot to commit. Repeat fix. I'm gonna say that every time. What was this? What did we just do? Fuck. I have terrible memory. I remove that. This is fix. Fixes union type completion. Yeah, whatever. We've got that going. Okay, alias. How do we do aliases? So let's see. TS playground toggle. Where is user? I still haven't figured out how to traverse through this document better, but a future me problem perhaps. Yeah, so this is the problem. The way I was doing it before was this didn't exist. So all I did was field first child, which was name. It worked fine for me. But now I know it doesn't. I was stupid. I need to use tree sitter and write a query that'll get me the name. Something like what was it? This field colon name colon for what was it? Identifier, I think, at name. Like I need to write some query like this. What I can do now is I can take care of all these cases, I believe, by just writing a query that aggregates the names. I don't know if it will work. No, actually it won't. because I mean, I can split this into two, right? If I can handle the base cases and the rest. Nah. Think. Use your fat brain. Nah. And actually, let's create this. Let's push this onto a repo because I haven't done that yet for some reason. So OG new. Let's create, what is this called? CMP GraphQL? Is there a CMP GraphQL? No, this is not what I want. Neovim-cmp GraphQL. Nope. Oh wait, someone else has already done this. Oh no. Oh no. God damn it, I thought I was...
Alright, in this video, I am going to show you how I developed a utility script. You may
okay, this is for nvim-cmp,
as opposed to the maybe you want
not CMP,
it,
but
it cuts
oh,
it off at the delimiter and then goes through
oh,
and does basically the same thing again.
Okay, so he's just using the GraphQL file.
Ones that use
interesting,
paren, which I couldn't do with cut, and then I'm also
inferior
hard-coded values for
inferior
completion,
project. No, I'm not gonna shit on this. They did it before me.
From the
I'm sad. Dropping a like.
And then I went and a couple at work that are not GraphQL but that are REST.
Okay, I also want to do this.
Like
I
want this GraphQL.
No, actually, no. No, not worth it.
It's just noise and it's not.
Doesn't matter. I am.
The file where you want it.
Why am I browsing this?
Associated
Good
rockets
question.
with GraphQL.
I got distracted. Back on track. There is no CMP GraphQL from what I can tell. So I'm just gonna go with, or is it GQL? Does that make more sense? I'm just gonna go with this. So what is this? Neovim nvim-cmp source or GraphQL completions based on schema. Is that good? Is that enough? Public, readme. I've already got a get ignore. Let's add license, mit license. Is that enough? Yeah. Just gonna go with that. Completions based on schema. Why am I thinking so much about this? Create. Let's go. This guy will get remote add origin. This one. Oh, I didn't copy. Yeah. Get full origin name, love unrelated histories. History. Okay, I'm not gonna rebase. I don't know why rebase. I've always had a bad history with rebase. I mean, the pun was not intended, but it sounds good, so I'm gonna say yes, I did mean it. Wait, there were more files here. What happened? No, that's it. Now, dot nvim, because that's the convention. Now, what do plugins call their repos? I don't know, I don't need to look this up, but still. nvim hyphen, no, cmp hyphen lsp. neovim cmp lsp. Okay, I'm not good at Googling apparently. Wiki. List of sources. Yay. Let's see. CMP buffer. CMP calc. I think yeah, CMP is the convention. Let's keep it that. I'm so terrible at this. I need someone to tell me exactly what to write here. nvim lsp. Source for neovim's built-in language server. Okay, doesn't matter. Here's the instructions. I leaned way too back, so I don't know if the mic picked that up or not. Yes, instructions. What do we instruct? Open your editor. No, turn on your laptop or computer. Log in to your operating system. Instructions. Install. What is this called again? This guy. Install that. Using your plugin manager. Example. Use that thing. Okay. Step 1. What else? Do we need it to be manual? Shit. Now that I think about it, this is really hard to use. How would someone, because an expectation from completions is that you can just have it in your project and it'll just work. But with this, there are a few configurations that we need. I don't know how to ask for it. This, I think, is a sane enough approach where I can just get them to run in whatever project you need. You run this using the path anyways, the problem now is how do I make this prettier, because I don't want this. Maybe what we can do is, so here, instead of having to run this for the project, what can be done is something like vim.g.graph. Oh no, I called it GraphQL. In the plugin it's GQL. Shit. Well, I'll just rename my code, I guess. Anyways, cmp underscore GraphQL underscore schema path equals that thing, GraphQL.schema.json. This works, but I don't know, I feel gross when I do this. Maybe a better way to be would be to have something in the like the root of the project, say, and have that execute. So I don't know. This is ugly. I don't like this, but I think we're stuck with it. This, let's go with this. We'll think about the API later. Here it is. CMP, blah, blah, blah. Lua. Setup. CMP for your project with blank. Okay. Is that it? Is there anything else? Well, let's continue. I don't want to write documentation more than I have to. Docs, updates, readme. I will record a GIF or something and add it here. So let's clean. Let's actually rename this because I am a dummy. I didn't think things through. Okay, so the thing here is GQL. I need to rename this guy to GraphQL. This is really not necessary, but I'm just going with it. To rename everything now. God, why did I bring this on myself? I could have just left it alone. I regret this already. I could have just renamed the repo. I am okay. I'm too far gone. I'm just going to go with this now. GraphQL. Wherever I see GQL, I'll replace it. No, not there, but everywhere else, I'll replace it with GraphQL. Is that it? I need to replace these guys as well. What else? Init, Lua, nothing here. This guy. That's it. We're done. What happened? Yeah, let's just sure. Let's test this out first because I don't trust. Yeah, I was right to not trust myself. Okay, this was a tiny bit of. Okay, I guess that worked. User, the auto completion works. Nothing here. Name works. Update user works. Perfect. Renames module to CMP GraphQL. Okay. Hydration break. I'm gonna go drink some water. I mean, it's not going to. Okay. That's not the screen I wanted to open, but let's edit that. Hydration level 100%. Back. Let's go. Okay, what now? What do we do now? Enum types, I don't want to deal with it. I mean, to handle enum types, or union or whatever they're called, let's see. In here, how are they represented? I mean, we've already done this. We just need possible types. Yeah. So here, I just, wait, why are there two? What is this guy? Okay. I don't know what that is. This one, it's a union. So when it's a union, then the fields inside it are, oh, I just remembered, we are doing something. We're in the middle of something. We need to convert these into queries. All right. Anyways, now that we're here, let's finish the thought. Each one of these has to be an object, I'm assuming, but also, yeah, the union of those two would be intersection of the fields. So we can just do that. Yeah, I don't see a problem there. Okay, so handle enum types, let's do that. Argument completion, argument value completion is more accurate. We've already got argument completion. Refactor to use TS queries. That's what I think I need to be doing now. I mean, we need to support aliases, and that seems to, I think that's the only way to do this, which is because otherwise I'll have to, I mean, yeah, I can, but let's not. Let's just focus on doing it by queries. So what I was thinking was, what if I just wrote a single query with all these captures? Would that work? So I mean, the query would look something like, let's sketch it out a bit here. Let's close this. Let's bring this back up. Yeah, here, where is this guy? So let's write, how do we write a query? Okay. Name identifier, I think it's at name. We can put this inside a field. Do we get something? No, we don't. Identifier, that's the right thing, right? Identifier. I've already done a bit of this in this project. I just have no memory of it whatsoever. Query, where is the query? Here it is. Identifier, name identifier. Let's zoom in a bit. Yeah. Declaration name. That is what I'm doing, but and name, I don't know. Let's not sure why this should work. What if I remove the name here? But this doesn't work either. Oh, maybe this thing? No, it doesn't work. Why isn't it highlighting? Oh, no, it isn't. I got my hopes up for a second. Okay. What can we query? Declaration name. Nope. Doesn't work. Do I need to do something to enable capture sub captures or something? Let's see the same thing in this file, because this guy is GraphQL, proper GraphQL. So let's see. Oh, let's put this guy here, or let's do definition at 4. Nope, it doesn't work. What am I doing wrong? How to query? I mean, these things work, but that doesn't. Okay. I guess it works 50% of the time, every time. Let's do name. Okay, I have to do this. I don't know. This is annoying. Okay, back to this guy. Oh, declaration name, nothing. There was another thing that I was doing here. Operation definition. Nope. Doesn't know. I think the problem here is it's not nested. I don't know how to get that working. Maybe something like inside a document. Document. This guy. Nope. How do I execute a query here? Oh, actually, I think I can see the query here, right? In focus language, toggle query editor, update, go to node, focus language. Go to node and focus language. What is that supposed to do something? What did I do? F. I don't know. Focus language. Nope, doesn't work. Oh, okay. Focus language. That's exactly what I needed. Okay. Yeah, here I can just do this, right? Name, perfect. What I want now is, so firstly I want operation definitions, operation type. Let's do that. So here operation definition, and where is operation definition? And operation underscore type, identifier. No, is this the name? Is this the node type and not an attribute, I'm assuming? I don't know why it's that way, if it is. No, it's not. Oh wait, sorry, I pasted the wrong thing. Yeah, that's a little weird, but I can live with it. Okay, let's name this something more appropriate. No, that's not appropriate. GQL underscore tag. No, name. GQL underscore name. That's a shitty way to name something, but for now it's fine. Where's the other guy? Inline fragment. Let's open this guy. Up for questioning. So on inline fragments, what I need is, okay, type conditions, name inside type condition. I can't speak apparently. Type condition and name. Name is, oh, does this work? No, it doesn't. At GQL_name. Does this work? What is he doing? Hello, mister. Can you just go to sleep? Okay. He is being annoying. What was I doing? Yeah, this doesn't work. So, I also need to specify name_type, I guess. Yeah, there it is. So I can bring this inside. Perfect. So I've got 1, I've got 2. There it is. Beautiful. Okay. Next one. Fragment definition. I think that's the first guy. First GQL tag here. Let's do this. Fragment definition. Fragment_name. Name. Add GQL_name. No, that didn't work. Oh wait, actually, is it that? No, I need the type for it. So it would be type_condition, fragment definition, type_condition, named_type, name. Perfect. 2 for 2. We're doing great. Don't worry about it. Oh, sorry, 3 for 3. There's field. Field only has a name, I guess. Yeah, it only has a name, so I don't need to do anything fancy there. There it is. Look at that beauty. Just one query and I've got everything I need. I don't know if this will work or not, but yeah. Oh, actually, I was right. This won't work. I can't do it in a single query. I'll need to execute it per query. This sucks. Why did I have such a terrible idea? Okay, let's do one at a time, I guess. I mean, I'm not even sure if we can do this. Just going off based on the fact that in this project, what I did was, where is this? Where is this being used? Here. So what I did here was, I gave it the root node. I'm guessing I can just give it whatever node and it will know walk inside it. So hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I'll be very disappointed in myself. Oh, actually, if I give it a field, would it know to only give me one result? Because this guy would match for everything. So should I just get the first result and ignore the rest? Something like that. Let's see. Yeah, let's get back to our code. Presetter dot, so many options. I'm just gonna look at what I did here and copy this. Yeah, this is a sensible man's code. I am the sensible man. Okay, black, black. All right. Here I put my query. Should I do it? Yeah, let's pick field. Oh no, that's not what I meant. Hey, maybe you do what I ask you to do and not whatever the hell you are doing. Does that sound like a good idea? At what is this? And this is not TypeScript, this is GQL. Is that the language? Oh no. GQL. GraphQL, actually. In that case, I'm glad I renamed the project to whatever I did. GraphQL node name. Perfect. So I can just get this captcha. Do this, do a little bit of this, and do a little bit of query. I don't know if this is a good idea. I'm so confused. Confusion. So much confusion. I don't know if there's a way to do this. I want to do. Langs.getlang. How do I do that? Okay, this is a custom thing. Let's open this up. For the file type, I just give it whatever the lang is. Declaration query. Okay, so I just run iter captures on it. Perfect. So query, the captures. Let's look this up. List predicates. List directors. Iter captures. Iter matches. So can I do just the first one? What is an iterator actually? What is an iterator in Lua? Type of capture node, range. I mean, in the context of for loop, it's pretty clear. It just walks through it, but what the fuck is what? Why does it return all of that? It should just return. Oh, confusion. Let's do that. Local iter. Let's do what JavaScript developers all around the world do. Log it, see what happens. Oh no, I should have saved the query somewhere. I have to write this shit all over again. Okay, I will. I don't have a choice. Okay. Removing that. Username. What am I doing? Field, right? So there should be a function. That is interesting. Okay, so if I do X and I print out X, let's see what I get here. It doesn't matter, I just do this. No? Oh, fields. Needs a field. Messages 1. Oh, maybe it's 1 comma y. Let's try this. Username. Okay, user data. There's a good chance this might be node. Try it. This works for me. This is such a simple API. Username, name, there it is. Okay, yeah, this works. I can just do this here then. Do that. This becomes node, unode, whatever you want to call it. Oh, actually no, node name node. If I could spell, this is too small. Yeah, this works. So if I just get the first one, yeah, I don't have any problems with this. Let's test it. Username, perfect. Let's see here. Username, perfect. Email, perfect. Everything's perfect. Okay. Get item, get node. All right. I think, we can simplify this quite a bit, right? Because yeah, I can just make a function here. Get. Oh, wait, actually, how do I make sure that this is the capture? Fuck it, I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's create get first match, first capture. Query, comma node. I guess if I keep it inside, I'll get the node from closure, but let's have it explicit for now. What else? Get text capture. All right. This one would be, buffer number as well. Cool. Let's move this shite over here. Query is being used. Oh, query string. This would be field underscore name equals get underscore text capture query string node, node, and buffer number. Okay, this one needs to be returned. I am using buffer number. Unused local and unused local. FNR. I'm not being very good with my naming. N is not being used, so it's supposed to be node. Let's move it outside so it's clearer. Yeah, that works. Let's move this inside utils, because again, we are the future. We need to set an example for all the future developers. Awesome. I'm so sleepy. I don't know why I decided to stream at this time. I should stream earlier, much earlier than this. Let's change our order of arguments for this guy. This is fine. Oh, there's a thing. Oh, I forgot. Oh, this is so satisfying. I installed this guy a while ago, but I never use it. That is actually much more fun. We just move things around. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, what was I doing? Back to this one. So the query here would be wrapper definition. Oh, I so wish I hadn't deleted that query. Oh, let's peek again. Yes. Oh, I made a mistake. God damn it. Inline. No. What was I doing now? Fragment definition. This one. No, this one. So here we've got fragment definition. There's a fragment name inside. So fragment underscore name and then a fragment. And this one comes out clean. Perfect. Oh, now that I think about it, I think we could have just done we could have just aggregated the query, right? And recursively, or not recursively, just loop through all the matches. Oh, actually the order of matches would be fucked, right? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, this is fine. The one concern I have here is it a good idea to parse the query every time, or should I just do it once? You know, this as a frag name, right? So what I can do is move these queries out and have it only execute once globally, and after that I don't need it anymore. I think that's the better approach. Okay. This is fine. Let's see if this works. Fragment. Email. Nope, it doesn't work. Great. Let's print frag underscore name. Use a fragment. Oh, right. This is not what I want. Type underscore condition. Oh shit, I forgot. Type underscore condition, named type, and name. And this guy comes inside. Come inside, it's cold out. This should work. Come on, please. There it is. There it is. It works. Yay. Let's commit this then. I'm still a little on the fence about this one. I mean, it's not, okay. Optimization comes last. Optimization comes last. Because I come first. Dirty. Okay, this one is the same thing, I think. I'm not sure. Let's see. TS playground troll. What the fuck happened there? I almost had a stroke saying that. On stuff. Here it is. Type condition, name type. Oh, it's the same thing. I just need to change this one. Inline underscore fragment. Right? That's it. Yeah, this should be it. Where is inline fragment? Created app. Perfect. And here, username perfect. This is programming. This is development. This is operation definition actually. Name. Remove this mess. Bring this in. Is that it? I think that's it. Let's TS playground toggle. Where is it? Operation definition. Where is operation definition? Here it is. Okay. So just the name. Oh, I need the operation type actually, not the name. So let's do operation type. Oh, that That didn't go the way I expected. If I could type correctly, it would go the way I expect. OP type name. Perfect. I might be a genius. Guys, if you didn't know, I might be a genius. Email, there it is, it works. Created at, no, it doesn't work. Oh, actually, we haven't supported enum yet, so it shouldn't work. I'd be surprised if it did. Username, all of it. We've got it. We've got auto completion. Update user. All of this still works. So, I mean, performance optimization we'll do later. I don't want to get into extracting all these queries outside or just aggregating all these queries together. I don't want to do that now. Let's just celebrate. We've got an achievement. Refactor. Fancy refactor with fancy resetter queries makes me feel good inside. Perfect. Back, restarting the editor just to have that fresh smell of a newly opened editor. Okay, what else do we have planned? Yeah, this thing, we crushed it. So now we can handle enum. I don't know how useful that is because, I mean, to be honest, I'm developing this for work. So I can write queries a lot better, a lot easier. So I don't have that much enum types in my production schema. So I don't see the point in doing this now. Very selfish, but yeah, it goes down in priority. Let's handle this. I don't know how, but so currently what we've done is we've recursively walked up the tree to get the field, right? So if I'm completing here, I'll go to the field on top and then to the inline fragment up here, and then actually for inline fragments I don't need to go further up, but for other stuff I walk up per field. But in this case I can't do that for object whatever it's called object field, object type. This playground, help me out here, I'm blanking. Where is this guy? Yeah. Object field has a name and a value. So when I'm inside in this case, I'd get how do I do ts node? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Ts node cursor error. Okay, that's a new node type. I didn't think that was a thing, but okay. Ts node, at least here it shouldn't give me an error. Object value, yeah, that makes sense. And if I go further, something, yeah, it's actually getting printed over here. It's object value. If I do ts node in the cursor here, I get object value still. Okay, doesn't matter. I can just look up the parent and see that it's object field. Sorry, look up the child and go object field and get the names if needed. But now I have to do this recursively. So say I have something like, okay, so where $eq id. Oh wait, dollar is not a good convention. Yeah, underscore eq is id. So in this case, I'll have to check what this is. How do I do that? Yeah, I have to walk up the tree, up the types in the arguments. So I have to first go into the arguments and then look up the type in schema and walk that way. I don't know if that would be easy to do. Let's see. Not sure. Not sure. Not sure. I'm just babbling to keep myself awake, to be honest. Actually, let's keep the recursive thing as an example to try it out. Oh, wait, why did this jump me to the wrong node? Okay, it just doesn't work. Thanks. Thanks, neovim. You're the man. Get field set. Selection set. None of this is necessary, but it's fine. Okay. What was I doing? I actually blanked out. That happens too often. But let's see. So for nested ones, what can we do to walk up the tree? Object field completion. Now this is where we start. I'm glad I left that comment because I was so confused. Actually, I'll have to do it here itself, right? Because this is the approach where I get the argument and then I get, oh, that hurts. So should I just, oh, this is a little confusing. So here, when we're getting get field, can we adapt that to also work with arguments? Maybe. Okay, so if I want get field path, what do I get here? Is I get query, which is a name in the types, and then I get something inside the query, and then I get something inside that thing inside the query, and it keeps going. Is there a way to generalize it to also include arguments? Okay, hydration break. I'm thirsty. Where is the hydration screen? I just prepared it. Hydrated, back, ready to fuck the whole thing up because I have no clue how to generalize this. Should we just start implementing and then, I mean, that's the approach that I always go with, but just start writing code, and if I get stuck, I just just destroy the entire project or something like that. Let's see. Selection set. This is where I was. Yeah. So here, bringing this down. Okay. So first of all, how do I detect that I am inside an object? Here. So if I'm here, oh, actually, is this the only place where I can get object field? Or is there some other way in GraphQL to define object or get that node? Yeah, doesn't matter. Here I have this ts node under cursor object value. So I can just do object underscore value. If I could spell and not have a stroke, that would be great. Object value. Perfect. We've got object value. Okay, so now in this case, I walk to the parent object value. Hey, this can be generalized pretty easily, right? So if I go to the parent, I can figure out the type, correct? And then I can just, oh, maybe this would be easier than I expect it to be. So let's see, args, not this. Where's the other guy? I need the other guy. Update user, there it is. Update user where? Okay, so even if I figure out where, I already know what my type is. So I can just, yeah, okay, this is nice. So, oh, so this can be generalized, right? So if I'm here, actually I'm not here at all. Yeah, I am here. I make that sound like I'm just having some kind of an existential crisis or something, but what I mean is I am in the object field where I can get the guy, the guy, my guy, the type. So get field path or whatever, I don't necessarily care about that. Here I just need to find the type, right? At that point I don't even need to do this because I'll just get some type, some object type, right? Object type equals blah, local. So I just need to collapse the type here. But how do I get to the type? So I have object value. What I need to do is get the object value's property name. Let's see, ts play. Oh, by the way, do not Google yes, playground. Turns out it's not the innocent tree sitter or TypeScript playground like you'd expect. It's a little more dangerous. That it's a minefield. Please do not Google it. I made that mistake and I'm here to warn you guys. Child 0, child 1. And then I do vim.tree-sitter.get node. What does it take? Node source. What is source? I think buffer number. And the last thing is option. Okay. We've got the field name or object type. That's what we wanted. No, we've oh no, is this what I wanted? Actually, let's see. Let's print this out. Object underscore type. Perfecto. This guy goes away. Did I make a commit the last time? Oh no. Don't tell me I did not. My forefathers would be so mad at me. Am I supposed to do something? Okay. I guess I was, and I get an error for it. Attempt to index local node, a nil value. Okay. Thanks. I guess. Messages, nothing else. So I'm guessing this is null. I mean, I did expect it, so I shouldn't be surprised, but you know what they say. I don't. Node child 0. Imagine saying that in real life. Node child. Okay, I've got something. Just that, I guess. Node. Oh, yeah, that makes sense, I think. Okay, so it's a node. Node is a node. Perfect. I'm so tired. Messages. What? Oh, is the first child? Oh, is this what I'm expected to do? Okay, no, I didn't need OBS there, but okay. Name. Messages. Where did it all go wrong? Attempt to index object underscore type. Object type. Oh, maybe I'm doing this wrong. TS, or not that. TS playground toggle. There is something here that I am missing. Payload. Object file. Oh, okay. So I need to walk up to my parent's parent. Local. Okay. Parent's parent. Let's just do that. Okay. I can actually do it a little smarter. I don't know if my brain is capable of that, but for now, this is fine. Let's save that. Run it. An argument. Argument. Oh, argument. That's neat. Is it? Can I reuse this whole thing? No, I don't think so. Nah, I can't. Oof, that is disappointing. That's not what I wanted then. Just once. Just do it once. Okay. Okay, I think I... No. I don't understand it. Parent's parent. That's what I want. Why is it not what I expect? Oh, it is an argument. Fuck. My brain is rotting. I need child 0. I mean, I'm doing it this way and right now because I don't want to write the query. But yes, it's a name. Perfect. So now I can do that thing where I get the name from the name. Oh. now that I think about it, yeah, this won't go like I expected to. Oh, there was so much hope. There's so much hope. It's all crushed. So I do need get field path, node, comma, what else? Buffner. What else? What do you want? Get field path, node, buffner, and okay, the path defaults to cool. I get it. All right. This thing, and this guy goes here. So what I need now is to okay. If I have the field, can I not just get the args from there? Because this should have args, right? Or yeah, this should have. If I can't type and think at the same time apparently. Field.args need nil check. If field is nil, then return echo end. Perfect. Oh no, I committed something. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's my example repo anyway. Name. Node name. Is that what I expected? No, I wanted args. There it is. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so I have an args list. That is amazing. So all I have to do is recursively walk up. So I'll need to create another function called get args. Or do I need to do that? Can't I just... No, I can't. Yeah, this is the way it has to go. I don't need this, but let's keep this inside, I guess. Is not equal to nil. Bring this up. Okay, so the plan, I'll just run through it, I guess, would be to look up field, actually no, to self get args, and I give it, what do I give it, node, I just give it node, get args list, get args path, actually, args path, and like a JavaScript developer that I am, I'll just print that out, and I need to implement this node buffner. I'll probably need buffer number. I don't know why. I might. Oh yeah, I need to get the text from the node, so I'll need it. Okay, args path. That was simple. Would I just make it get arg type? Taking some time to think, something that I don't usually do. Let's just create one here. Function source dot whatever. It gets a self node buffner end. Okay. Here, this will be a recursive function. We first check if the node is nil. If it's nil, return nil end. Oh, it needs a path, sorry. So it returns, yeah, path equals path or this guy. And I return path. That's the base case. I do node. What else do I need? Oh, right, then. Syntax highlighting kind of fucked me up there. Node type is where do I is object value important to me? Because here, oh, if I could see this better, object value isn't okay. Let's remove that. Actually, I have it here. Object field is the one that matters more because I can just get the child there. That sounds like child abduction. I'm planning child abduction. Object underscore field. Then end. And here, this is not a base case, actually. Base case would be argument. So for argument, I need the name of the argument and I need to insert in path and return. Here I need to get the name, insert in path, do not return because it needs to default to the recursive call. Yay. Like I said, I might be hidden genius. We don't know. We'll never know. Self node parent. What do I do? Buffner from a path. Okay. This is the same approach that we had before. The way to get the name would be node child 0. Think where is argument? Yeah, child 0. Give me that, and then I can do vim.presenter.get no text. And this is why we needed the buffer number. Perfecto. And I can insert this inside the list. So table.insert. Now I've learned from my mistake. So path comma 1 because Lua and name. Insert in path and I can just return path. Yay. And the same thing here because I could have copied the whole thing, but okay. It's the same thing here because I can just, well, I can write this better. I don't know why I went with this gross implementation. It's alright. What can I do here? Let's write this better. No, let's not. Should I? Oof. My leg. Ozzy, what are you doing? And if it is an argument, I return the path. End. The end. Okay, this is not pretty, but it works. I mean, I don't know if it works actually. It may not work at all. Let's see. Do I need this? No. So I get args path, right? So, yeah, so from the field here, I can, okay, let's pseudocode this bitch. So field.args, I can get or find dot name Bane. Okay, this is not Batman time. Argspark. No. Actually, yeah. I need to keep walking this way. So it starts with 0 and yeah. It's pseudocode, alright. It's not supposed to make sense yet. Actually, that's the exact purpose of pseudocode. It's to make sense. Yeah. Future me problem. Get Args path. Let us see. Oh, 1 second. Oof, back. Yeah, also, I'm so fucking glad Diwali is over. No more explosions. Oof, so quiet, so peaceful. My heart is full. Okay, stop whining about Diwali. Let's inspect this. Back here, close this guy. Reopen. Name, payload. Perfect. I mean, that's not much, but it's honest work. What if I change this here? It still gives me. Okay, no. Where ID. This is way better than I expected it was going to go. Let's split this out into multiple lines because we're good developers. Guys, we are good developers here. We're all. Who's a good developer? I was gonna take a name. Dan Abramovs. The first one that came to my head. That's it. Okay, Args path. So the plan is simple. So I've got fields.args, or field.args. The pseudocode didn't help one bit. Field.args. And then I get to whatever type I get to. So, ooh, my brain. Okay, I'm ending stream. I'm too sleepy to proceed. Let's leave this as is. Is there anything else? No, that's about it. Okay, time to go. Is it time to go? Yes, it is. What time is it? It's time to go o'clock. Yes. We are here again. Disk space. Every time I get here, I start procrastinating. Okay, 2 followers. That's awesome. Okay, am I leaving? Oh, this hurts. I'm going. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go sleep. Goodbye. I still haven't done it yet. Okay. I'm looking at the preview. As soon as I see my preview hit the button, I'm gonna click OK.